Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the humanbiodigital.com online anatomy model. So it's a really cool, useful website, I think, especially for our science class. So if we go over, this is the page that will come up when you type in human.biodigital.com. So you'll come up here and then you'll click on the dashboard. And here I've already made two models, so I'm gonna pick on my human one, and we'll look at her and kind of get a feel for. So yeah, so it takes a second to load. It has to load all the parts. Okay, so first thing I want to show you guys is how to use the dissect tool. So on here, there's lots of different tools. They come up in this little bar down here, and if we zoom in a little. I I want to look, I want to show you what happens when we get the dissect tool. And so what it does, you click on the organ that you want to dissect and it'll like remove. See how it did that right there? And then you can undo it. But it'll remove the layers of organ that you want so that you can see what is behind it if that is what you'd like to do. So that's the dissect tool. Um, Another cool tool on here is there's a quiz feature, which is, where did it go? It's right here. So if you click on it, it'll ask you a number of questions. You click number of questions, and then you get started, and it'll just ask you questions about the different parts, which is really cool. I'm not sure which one this is. Anyway, but that's how you do it. You can just do and you click on your answer and it tells you if it's correct or not. It'll give you the correct one. Anyway, it's super useful for studying and stuff. Yes. Okay. And oh shoot, wrong button. Sorry. Yes. There we go. Okay. Then I'm gonna show you guys. So right now, the here we'll go back, put all the parts back. Okay, so I want to show you, back to center view, how to next to add or remove organ system layers. So right now we have the skeletal system, the cardiovascular system, and the it's just skeletal and cardiovascular right now. So let's turn on. I want to show you guys how to turn on the different layers. So here is this. And this is going to turn on the muscular system. So you gotta wait a second. But see, now it has the layer of muscle added to it. Yeah, so that's really cool. And you can take it back off. You could do it too. Here's the nervous system. So now we have eyeballs and nerves in here. But yeah, so that's how you do it. You just come up to this little anatomy bar and click on the different ones that you want to show. And you click that to make it go away. Cool, to make that go away. Okay, so that's everything with the model. If you're looking for a specific sort of condition, you can click on any of the different systems on here. So like if we click digestive system, then we see, so for example, so then this is like, this is like just the anal canal anatomy, but then there's different diseases here too. So you can kind of look at what the different conditions that each system can have by going in here. And then when you click on it, then it has, for example, this one for Crohn's disease, you can click on the Crohn's disease and then we can see what the intestine looks like with Crohn's disease, and then you can compare it back to your other one where it looks normal. And you can read about the condition right here, which is really cool. Anyway, so this is a really helpful website. I hope that this helps clear up a little bit of how to work it and how to use it well. And yeah, anyway,